Hey, this is Rich over at TVP Live with another quick tips brought to you by Adobe Photoshop Elements Tutorials Group. And let's jump right into today's poster. Wanted to know how to get rid of the green cast of the bird. Generally complaining that the whole photo has too much of a green cast. Obviously, the green foliage, you want to leave green. So you just want to work on the bird and maybe some of the tree here. As you can see, the green is splashing right around here a lot. So you want to do color correction. Adobe Photoshop Elements is not the best for color correction, but there is a couple tricks that you can do. But because this photo has portions that you actually kind of want to leave them as they are and just work on other sections, what I would do is I would right click and make a duplicate copy, because we're going to use this color of this photo for the outside edges and just change the color of the tree and the bird. On that top layer, I'm going to go to Enhance. This is kind of a secret way to get into color correction. You go down here to Color, and then within Color, go to Adjust for Skin Tones. Then what you want to do is look for the purest white that you can find in your photo. And that's going to be right around here. And watch what happened to the whole photo. It turned a little bit more orangey. So now all you have to do is take the temperature down here and make the temperature a little more into the blues. I'm going to exaggerate it a lot here. Do you see what just happened? The whole photo went into the blues. That's looking a lot better that way. And we really like that. So I might want to even go over here to Enhance and do Auto Smart Tone. This is going to allow me to choose portions that are either lighter or darker in the lights or the darknesses by dragging this little toggle around. So look at the photo, look what looks good. I think I wanted to just brighten it up just a tad, and that's pretty much it. And now I got the color where I want it. There's a little bit less of a green cast and a little bit more blue. I'm going to take the eraser and erase all the foliage. Let's get a nice big large brush, like, I don't know, 300 point here. And I'm going to take this top layer. It's going to show the bottom layer underneath as I erase it. You see the colors are coming back in the foliage? So I'm just going to go across the foliage to erase everything else. I'm going to do the same thing over here and kind of skirt around the bird. And there we go. Now we got us a nice photo that was like this. Now we brought it up and made it a little more blue-like. And that's pretty much it for this tutorial. This is Rich calling it quits, saying over and out.